Then probably number 2 is this air compressor. Because here, take your wide shot and then come in close and see if you can hear it running. This machine is actually running all the machines that we have in this section of the booth. So this is a rotary screw compressor. This is a variable speed motor. This has a dryer built in. Every shop needs one of these. Why not buy it from Haas? Why not buy it from your local Haas factory outlet? That's running right now.
Yeah.
Now you can hear it winding down with that variable speed. The demand isn't high on it right now. So cuts down on your energy consumption.
Great. Should we take a walk to the Haas tooling area?
Yeah, let's make sure I can put it back together. Hey, look at that. Even a dumb sales guy can put it back together.